Hello friends, hope you are doing well wherever you are right now. Look at these little boys. They are my students and they come here, that is the library, every day punctiliously, and they read many things like newspapers, books, magazines, and this way they enrich themselves every day. And I will suggest to you to, if you want to learn to speak English correctly or fluently or clearly, or if you want to learn how to write English correctly or fairly well, then you must go through a couple of stages like reading daily English newspapers, like the Telegraph, the Statesman, the Hindustan Times, the Times of India, or you can read also English magazine, or you can also read books written in English, especially by those authors who have written their books in a very simple, lucid, or in an easy flowing language. And I will tell their names like Ruskin Bond, R.K. Narayan, Mulk Raj Anand, and the modern